Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make enemy in Infinite Craft. So let's get into the video. So open up Infinite Craft and then we're going to start off with water. Add it with water. That's going to give a lake. Add it with water again. It's going to give you ocean. Add it with earth. It's going to give you island. Then add it with island again. It's going to give you a continent. So now next you get an earth here and then add it with water. It's going to give you a plant. Add it with lake. It's going to give you a lily. Then add it with continent. It's going to give you a lotus. Again add it with continent. It's going to give you Asia. So once you get this, now we're going to get a fire. Add it with a fire and that will give you a volcano. Then add volcano with Asia. It's going to give you Japan. And then Japan, add it with fire. It's going to give you a Godzilla. Add it with lily. It's going to give you a monster. Then again add it with lily. It's going to give you a nymph. And then nymph again you add it with lily again. It's going to give you a Narcissus. So when you can see get a Narcissus, then now add it with Japan. And there you go, you'll get the enemy. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.